Hello and welcome to Jewellery Rescue. I'm Kat and I'm a girl on a mission to rescue and recycle the world's unwanted jewellery. I'm just back from lunch with a friend and she has donated a lovely bag of jewellery for me to upcycle and resell. She's told me that there's sterling silver in there's things she's never worn, and there's some pieces that she's bought from me in the past that she doesn't wear anymore too. I can't wait to see what we've got. Before we dive in, please don't forget to like and subscribe below if you like what you see, and hit that bell so that you don't miss my future videos. Let's dive in. Right, so I've tipped it all out on the table so that we can have a good look through. I can see there's a real mix of things in here. We have got a bracelet, which is unmarked, costume one. It's got a nice clip opening there. Oh no, it is marked. It's Marks and Spencer's. So a nice costume one. We've got a butterfly brooch. If you've been here before, you'll know I'm not a massive fan of butterflies. Oh, this is gorgeous. So we've got marker seats and what looks like amber. And then have we got any markings? I can see it's silver. Can't see any marking. Oh, here. Beautiful set of silver hallmarks on there. Let me just get that in focus. They are very, very teeny, but I can see a 925 and there's a maker's mark on there as well. That is beautiful. I wonder if that might have been her mum's. Very generous. This one is, well, that's a nice agate. Oh, look, it's been customised with some stickers. Let's see if I can get those off. And these are shell. That's really pretty. Oh, it's really cold. There we go, we're detangled. We've got a glass heart. Just on a cord. These are lovely dyed pieces of shell. I think that one I probably will take apart and use those shells to make earrings and things with. Oh, this is a nice gripper. What do you call that? Clamper. Is that what you call it? Bangle. Nice bit of enamel on it. No markings. Pretty costume one though. This feels like glass. That has just lost its stretch, so I might just restring that or possibly use those beads for earrings. These ones are cool, aren't they? They've got that kind of brutalist look about them, which is popular at the moment. Now this I remember, these were a pair of earrings that I made. So they can just go onto fresh hooks and then back out into one of my shops. It's a pretty vintage brooch. Gold tone, that looks like it could be a real blister pearl. No markings on it. I don't think it's massively old. I think it's made to look vintage. Nice one of this. We've got another bangle. No markings on that one. It's got a piece of wood in the top there. Oh, this looks interesting. Let's have a look at this one. Get it all around the front. So this is autograph. So again, that's Marks and Spencer's, I think. Wow, look at that. That means business, doesn't it? Let's focus on it. There we go. We've got some nice shell and then wood and metal, and it's been screwed in. How cool is that? Gosh, if you were going as a sort of warrior princess to a party or something, that would be perfect, wouldn't it? And it would be nice in the summer with a maxi dress. Love that. Oh, this is cool. Now I've got a bangle in my personal collection that matches this, and I think I've got earrings somewhere in my stock that I haven't listed as well. Beautiful. That's handmade. Copper and brass, I guess. Nice handmade clasp at the top there. That's lovely. She's got good taste. Oh, what do I spy here? Look, a bit of Native American. Let's zoom in on that. So we've got the bear paw. Should be that way up, I think. With the liquid silver and some turquoise. And then it's on sterling silver. What's it say on there? 925. Oh, it's a Relios one. So I think this is Carolyn Pollack, who does Southwestern inspired jewellery. So I think they're made in America and they're made in the style of, but still really pretty. It's too big for me, sadly. Oh, that's cool. What have we got here? Well, that's a fun brooch. Like that one, that would be cool on a denim jacket or something, wouldn't it? Again, just costume. Now I made these ones, and she told me it was a guitar and a plectrum, and I took these bits all came off 3 different pairs of earrings, and she lost the plectrum sadly. So she's just got the one left. So I'll have to use that guitar for something else. Maybe I'll come across another one for her one day. We've got a sparkly brooch. Very pretty. This is a pair of my upcycled earrings that were made from an 80s necklace, very lightweight, so I'll probably just pop those onto new hooks. And then these are more that I've made out of broken necklaces and bracelets. So again, I'll just pop those all onto new hooks. Those are sterling silver hooks, so they'll probably be scrapped, or I suppose I could clean them and reuse them, but I don't tend to do that. A fun bracelet. No marks on that one. That would go with that brooch, wouldn't it? A couple of exciting pieces I can see for the end here. So this is another costume one with some nice glass beads. That might go into pre-loved because it seems a shame to not use that pendant. If not, I could reuse those beads on there. Okay, what have we got here? We've got a box and got a gold cross. So this little cross looks like it could be gold. It's incredibly thin. It's been pressed. It's very pretty. I can't see any markings on it. Is that a marking there? 1 second, let me have a look through the loop. Oh, there is a marking. Okay, there is a little 9 carat here. So I will check with my friend whether she wants this back knowing that it's gold. There's a little 9 carat marking there, and the chain sadly has snapped. So it couldn't be worn on that one, but that of course could be scrapped. It's really pretty. I think that's the front. I think the back's just got a little bit of tarnish on it. Is it just from where it's been squished? I don't know. So that's a really cool one. Be careful with that. And then we've got this box. So we have enamel, beautiful purple enamel, a 925 on the back there. It says it's from Berkshire Antiques in Windsor, so it was probably, if it was given in this box, it would have been a pre-loved one, although it does look very modern. Let's have a look at the... Oh, it's got a lovely heavy clasp and a nice extension chain on it there. That's a really beautiful piece. Lovely. Thank you so much to my friend for this very generous donation. I should enjoy restoring, reselling and upcycling with these. If you are not subscribed here, please do consider dropping me a subscribe. It doesn't cost you any money and you'll be able to see future videos like this. I'll pop some videos up on screen that you might like to watch next, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.